Kumbanyas no ketilang ben peni ya ka Jingiakhih na kaliang unong yalam kaliang persya jong kaying dorbar thawain ka jala u Dr. Mukul Sangma rengkat bat ki MLA ka TMC ki MDC bat ki nong yalam ka parti ke Leit Jngoh ya ka Jingiakhih ka badang ya hadu menta ya ka ba ki Nongtrei ka GHADC ya ka ba hadu saupulai teli ki benai kimpadyo ya ka tulop jong ki non-gazette employment association jong ka GHADC Autonomous District Council.
I have just taken this opportunity to meet the agitating employees of GHADC Autonomous District Council. We all know that for last 43 months they have been deprived of the salary that was supposed to be paid to them, and as a matter of responsibility towards addressing all issues, confronting our people, and particularly in this instant case, confronting the ADCs and the capability of ADC to respond to its mandated responsibility as per the Constitution. These are matters of concern. We need to address them. Recently, I have called on, along with my friend, members of GHADC Autonomous District Council, the Honorable Governor. And these are issues which we need to take up in the right earnest, because if the government is seen as insensitive to this given situation, then we cannot be silent spectator. We have to assume the responsibility of ensuring that the Autonomous District Council receives the due care and due attention as per the mandate that is enshrined in the Constitution of India.